a stick came out of that car. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to catch up with you guys and just run through some of the projects that you're aware about from other videos, see where we are with those, and just talk about some other cars that I've got around that are going to feature in videos, and also some sort of ongoing projects that we've not talked about before. So the first car I wanted to talk about is this MJX Hyper Go. I don't remember the model number, but I'll look it up and stick it in the comments. It's such a fun car. You can see by the state of it. We really sort of rip this off-road, bash it. It's been battered, abused. It's just held up to everything we've thrown at it. It's completely stock. I don't remember the size of the motor. It's 3S, 60 amp ESC. It absolutely rips. It's so quick. It flips, it jumps, it's such a fun car to drive. It seems to be somewhat indestructible, which is kind of cool. There's some really cool footage and really cool videos coming of this car soon, so do stay tuned. Quick one before I get into the next bit. If you've made it this far, you're probably my kind of person. This channel is going to get more unhinged. Faster builds, worse decisions, and at least one thing per video that probably shouldn't work, but does anyway. So, if this sounds like your idea of a good time, the subscribe button's just down there. No pressure, but at least you'll know where to find me next time I break something expensive. The next car I wanted to talk about is this little ZD Racing. It's like I don't think it's intentionally as a drift car. It's kind of like lightweight. I don't think it comes with a gyro. Maybe it does come with a gyro. I don't remember. I'll have to look it up. It's got a tiny little motor in it, but it's pretty quick for its size because it's very, very light. It's just a really fun car. I think it's just 2S, comes with a small 2S LiPo. It's just a fun little car. I think it was from Banggood. I don't think it would last, particularly long outside, really. But we tend to just rip this around the lounge with the kids, and they quite enjoy sort of drifting it under the sofa and then back out the other side and stuff. So it's quite a fun little car, and maybe we'll do some videos with that. Just do a durability test, see how long it lasts. Kind of a fun little car, really. The next car to talk about is this Rlaarlo AK-917. Now this is going to be the car that I'm hoping to do my run to 100 runs with, so I really need to get a move on and get this going. It's got the TP 3080 3650 3080 kV motor in there. Got the Mamba Monster X8S ESC to go in there. I was actually just waiting for battery buckles to secure the batteries down, but they're in now. I've got them. They're back in stock at Scorched RC, so I've got those now. I can pop those on, and then I can just reassemble the rest of this, just get this back up and running. Keen to see how the Mod 1 gearing is going to work, to be honest with you. It remains to be seen. Let's wait and see. The next car is one you will have seen in a previous video as well. This is the WL Toys 124019, essentially ready to go. Again, I was waiting for some battery buckles to secure the battery down. They're in now. Given up on this Hyper Go gyro. It just doesn't work. I'm not entirely sure why, so I'll get rid of that. But aside from that, the only thing outstanding with this, and standing in the way of me doing a speed run with it, is finding a way to secure the shell. So this is a Fat Bodies 200mm shell. Fits really nicely, but I can't find any body posts that work. I've bought several body posts from AliExpress, from Amazon. I just can't find anything that I can find a place to nicely secure it. So one thing you guys might be able to help with is I've seen in a few other videos, you can get these side-mounted body securing mounts. They go on the side and they kind of pop into the side of the body. That would work. I could put one there, and one there, and then the same on the other side, and that would hold the body down, again with some tape for aerodynamics or for airflow. If you know what they're called and where I can find them, please could you pop a comment in below the video here. I'd be really interested to see where I can get them, and then this car can just be finished off, and we could take this out for a speed run, and then we need to do some tweaking on the gearing, I'm sure. So that would be really cool. And then I've got a new ESC and motor combo for this, but I'm not going to put in until I've done a few more runs. This is just running the 120 amp setup from the 917, the Rlaarlo, for testing. But I have got a bigger motor and ESC combo to go in here, ready for a speed run. But I also need to order some more tires as well, some new wheels. These AliExpress foams are just shocking. So I'll put some contact RCs on there. So, but yeah, like I said, if you know what those body mounts are, please do let me know. I think that'd be really good to get that up and running soon. Next up, we've got the Stormbreaker. You guys know about this. Did a review in the previous video about this against the armor. And yeah, I just wanted to let you know that stay tuned, subscribe, like the video. There are going to be some amazing things coming with this. Spoiler alert, guys. We're going to be doing a world's first with this Stormbreaker. So it's never been done before. I don't even know that anybody's ever thought of it before. I'm not going to say too much about it right now because it's all sort of in progress. But stay tuned. This is going to be really fast. I can let you know I have got a new motor ESC combo potentially to go in here. I'm probably going to put this Ghost RC drag motor in there. It's a 3650, what is it? It's a 1412, sorry. It's a 1412 4300 kV, 90,000 RPM. It's the Ghost RC Ace drag motor. And then I've got the matching Ghost RC Cobra 8 Ace ESC to put in here as well. So I think with the other modifications that I'm not going to talk about right now, this motor combo, some other upgrades, I think this is going to absolutely rip. It's going to be serious fun. So stay tuned for that, guys. I think that'll be a lot of fun. And then next up is this beast. So this is a Hobeo Hyper 7 Nitro. I hate Nitro cars, I'm just going to say it. I absolutely hate them. They're dirty, they're smelly, they're a nightmare to get started. I just don't like it. I actually fitted this drill adapter down here to try and make it easier to start because the pull start kept unraveling and uncoiling from inside, constantly having the engine out, trying to get that sorted, and then these oil-filled air filter things just falls apart. It's just clunky and dirty and smelly, and I'm not a fan. Maybe we'll get it up and running in the summer, rip it around a bit, do some jumps, do some off-roading, and then maybe we'll just rip the motor out, do an electronic conversion on it, make it an EV. What do you guys think? If that's something you'd be interested in seeing, then drop a comment below and let's think about what we can put in there. Maybe we can stick a really big motor in there and make it absolutely fly. So yeah, stay tuned for that and let me know what you think. Aside from that, what else we've got coming up on the channel? We've got this small ducted fan, like a jet engine for an RC aeroplane. That's going to go on a car. That'll be quite fun to see. Another thing I wanted to do was do a comparison on these batteries. So I picked up these CNHL racing batteries, 4S batteries, a while ago, and I wanted to compare them to these Onyx stock LHB batteries and do a sort of comparison, same car, top speed, out of the box kind of thing. I think we all know that the Onyx will probably probably win, but I think it'd be fun to see. So that's it, guys. Stay tuned. Like I said, please do subscribe if you're enjoying this content, and I'll see you in the next one.